Natural disasters pose an increasing threat, especially in mountainous regions of Kyrgyzstan, Naryn being one of the most susceptible areas. A collective, concerted approach and systematic actions can help reduce their impact on human lives and habitats. AKDN, in partnership with the governments of the Kyrgyz Republic and Switzerland, have launched the Naryn Urban Resilience Program, which aims to increase resilience of the town and its areas to withstand natural and economic shocks. The program is a 5-year collaboration among the partners and has 4 primary components. An integrated natural hazard assessment to catalog potential threats. Improved town planning processes. Capacity building of public services and local communities to better identify and take measures to mitigate risks. Implementation of specific disaster risk reduction and mitigation projects. The program will serve as a model on how similar measures could be adopted and introduced in other towns and settlements in the country. It can also help inform national and international efforts related to advancing sustainable development in mountain areas. As we work to prevent natural hazards, we aim our collective efforts to be better prepared to mitigate their effects.